Papasok. Hindi siya papasok. Hindi siya papasok.
Uy, ganda ni Katie. Wow. Ay, madam. Musta?
Kumusta sulod, madam? Kumusta po?
I'm here. Ano naman ako? Crowd Relations Officer.
Mahirap talaga kung
Okay naman, he's doing well. And he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he is happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Meron pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
Maybe this is the first